Welcome to The Human Curious, where we explore the wonders of the human mind and behavior. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content. I bet you didn't know why yawning is so contagious. Have you ever yawned after seeing someone else yawn? This is called contagious yawning. It's a common human experience. But why does it happen? What's going on in our brains when we yawn along with others? Scientists believe that special cells in our brain called mirror neurons play a key role. These neurons help us understand and respond to the actions of others. They are the bridge between our minds and the minds of those around us. Mirror neurons are a fascinating discovery in neuroscience. These specialized brain cells have opened up new avenues in understanding how we connect with the world around us. They play a crucial role in our ability to learn through imitation and to empathize with others. They were first observed in monkeys in the 1990s. Researchers noticed that certain neurons in the monkey's brain would activate not only when the monkey itself performed an action, but also when it watched another monkey perform the same action. This was a groundbreaking discovery that hinted at a deeper, more interconnected way our brains function. Researchers found that these neurons fired not only when the monkey performed an action, but also when it observed another monkey performing the same action. This mirroring effect suggested that the brain has a built-in mechanism for understanding the actions of others, almost as if it were experiencing those actions itself. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of how our brains work. It provided a biological basis for phenomena that had long puzzled scientists, such as empathy, learning by observation, and even the development of language. The implications were vast, suggesting that our brains are wired to connect with others in ways we are only beginning to understand. It suggested that we understand the actions of others by simulating those actions in our own brains. This internal simulation allows us to predict and interpret the behavior of others, making social interactions smoother and more intuitive. It's as if our brains are constantly running a mental simulation of the world around us, helping us navigate complex social landscapes. This simulation allows us to grasp the intentions and emotions behind the actions we observe. By mirroring the actions and emotions of others, we can better understand their experiences and respond appropriately. This ability to empathize and connect on an emotional level is fundamental to human relationships and society as a whole. Mirror neurons, therefore, are not just a scientific curiosity, they are a key part of what makes us human. So how do mirror neurons explain contagious yawning? When we see someone yawn, our mirror neurons fire. It's as if we are yawning ourselves. This automatic mirroring of the other person's action can trigger an actual yawn in us. This suggests that contagious yawning is not just about imitation. It's about our brains connecting with the actions and possibly even the internal states of others. This connection is fundamental to social interaction and empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about putting ourselves in someone else's shoes and experiencing the world from their perspective. Mirror neurons are thought to be a key component of our capacity for empathy. When we see someone experiencing an emotion, our mirror neurons fire as if we are experiencing that emotion ourselves. This allows us to connect with others on a deeper level and build meaningful relationships based on understanding and compassion. Section 5, Mercy in Islam, a core value. Mercy is a fundamental value in Islam. It is one of the most important attributes of God, Allah, and Muslims are encouraged to cultivate mercy in their own lives. Mercy in Islam encompasses kindness, compassion, forgiveness, and love. It is about showing understanding and care for others, especially those who are suffering or in need. Muslims believe that showing mercy is a form of worship and a way to draw closer to God. Section 6, the intersection of empathy and Islamic mercy. The concept of empathy, as understood through the lens of mirror neurons, resonates deeply with the Islamic value of mercy. Empathy allows us to connect with the emotions and experiences of others, while mercy compels us to act upon that understanding with kindness and compassion. When we cultivate empathy, we open ourselves up to the suffering and needs of others. This awareness can then motivate us to act with mercy, offering help, support, and understanding. Quick question for you. Have you ever caught yourself yawning just because someone else did? Let us know in the comments. It's fascinating how our brains can mirror the actions of others, isn't it? Your experiences can add a lot to our understanding of this intriguing phenomenon. Section 7. Quotes on Mercy and Empathy. In this section we delve into the profound wisdom shared by various spiritual leaders and thinkers on the subjects of mercy and empathy. These virtues are not just abstract concepts but are deeply rooted in the teachings of many cultures and religions, guiding us towards a more compassionate and understanding world. The importance of mercy in Islam is emphasized in numerous sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Mercy, or Rahmah in Arabic, is a central theme in Islamic teachings. It is mentioned repeatedly in the Quran and Hadith, highlighting its significance in the daily lives of Muslims. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is often referred to as Rahmatan lil Alamin, meaning a mercy to the worlds, underscoring his role as a paragon of compassion and kindness. He said, "Show mercy to those on earth and the one in the heavens will show mercy to you." This powerful statement encapsulates the essence of reciprocal mercy. It encourages individuals to act with kindness and compassion towards others, with the understanding that such actions will be rewarded by divine mercy. This principle fosters a sense of interconnectedness and mutual responsibility within the community. This highlights the reciprocal nature of mercy, emphasizing that our compassionate actions have far-reaching effects. Just as a single drop creates ripples in water, a single act of kindness can spread, touching many lives and creating a wave of positive change. The idea is that mercy begets mercy, and through our actions, we can inspire others to act with compassion and empathy. Furthermore, the Dalai Lama, a prominent spiritual leader, has said, "Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries." His teachings often emphasize the importance of these virtues in achieving personal happiness and global peace. The Dalai Lama believes that compassion is a fundamental human quality that transcends religious and cultural boundaries, and it is essential for the survival and flourishing of humanity. Without them, humanity cannot survive. This statement underscores the idea that empathy and compassion are not optional traits but essential components of a functioning society. They are the glue that holds communities together, fostering cooperation, understanding, and mutual support. In a world where conflicts and divisions are prevalent, these virtues are more important than ever. This quote emphasizes the essential role of empathy and compassion in human society. Acts of kindness and understanding can bridge gaps between individuals and communities, creating a more harmonious and just world. By practicing mercy and empathy, we contribute to a culture of care and respect, where every person is valued and supported. These virtues remind us of our shared humanity and the power we have to make a positive impact on the lives of others. Section 8. The Power of Human Connection. Contagious yawning, a seemingly simple phenomenon, offers a glimpse into the complex workings of the human brain and our innate capacity for connection. Mirror neurons, by allowing us to simulate the actions and emotions of others, lay the foundation for empathy and understanding. This understanding is essential for building meaningful relationships, fostering compassion, and creating a more just and merciful world. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share, and comment below. Your support helps us bring more fascinating content to you. Section 9. Conclusion. Yawning, mercy, and our shared humanity. The next time you catch yourself yawning after someone else, remember that it's more than just a physical reflex. Yawning is a fascinating phenomenon that transcends cultures and species. It's something we share with many animals, from our closest relatives, the primates, to our household pets like dogs and cats. This simple act is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. When you yawn and someone else follows suit, it's a small but powerful reminder of our shared biological heritage. It's a sign of our shared humanity, our ability to connect with and understand the experiences of others. This involuntary action is deeply rooted in our social nature. Scientists believe that contagious yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brain's mirror neurons activate, prompting us to yawn as well. This mirroring effect is a subtle way our brains communicate, showing that we are attuned to the feelings and states of those around us. This capacity for empathy is a gift, one that allows us to extend mercy and kindness to those around us. Empathy is the foundation of our social interactions and relationships. It enables us to step into someone else's shoes, to feel their joy and their pain. Acts of kindness, whether big or small, stem from this empathetic connection. When we help a stranger, comfort a friend, or volunteer our time, we are acting on the empathy that yawning symbolizes. By nurturing our empathy and acting with compassion, we can create a world where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. Imagine a world where every individual feels understood and supported. This vision starts with small, everyday actions. Smiling at a neighbor, listening to a friend, or simply acknowledging someone's presence can make a significant difference. As we cultivate these habits, we build stronger, more compassionate communities. In this way, the simple act of yawning becomes a metaphor for the ripple effect of empathy and kindness, spreading from one person to another, creating a more connected and caring world.